Alright, so which one of them bigger? Vibes Cartel forward out of prison or Mavado and Cartel, they are one show? Which one of them might bigger one?
A few moments later.
People haven't seen Mavado in 9 years in a Jamaica perform. And this is the historical show. Gully, Gaza, fuel, the everything, the anticipation. I want to know why the ticket them sell out today already.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Christ. No disrespect, but Vado ain't it. Nobody no want to see him. Yo, dog.
You remove your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media.
Don't know Media Fox, you know. So people, I know me and tell you, you know. Like say Gaza people them a this up Mavado, wicked dog. I tell you people, wicked brother. That's what I'm tell you, say yo, you see the Gaza thing dog, better you just stay far from it. I tell you that. You see them man bro, them man the Gaza thing not loyal. I tell you that bro. You see me? You see, even a cartel, there's no other. You see, but people want to know you what go on that video, you see me?
Come and tell you what can happen with this. This can keep, and enough people can be upset, you know. Because enough people are going for the nostalgia, you know. For the 2 of them on stage, you know. If them go there and not see the 2 on stage, enough people are going to be upset.
So basically, people, you don't know the Gully Gaza thing already at Sunfest. So basically, Sunfest moved from Mobile. There's no more Sunfest in a Mobile for now. Maybe in the future. I guess them are their Ochi. Plantation Cover or something like so. So they move from Mobile their Ochi now. You see it? So he might talk about the Mavado and Cartel thing at Sunfest. So here we go on.
The ticket them cheap too. That's the next thing I want to see. It's like I'm really wondering what is going on. The ticket them cheap. Freedom Street, Vibes Cartel tickets were $150 in a bleachers. VIP ticket is $180.
But I remember say that was the first tier. But talk about the second tier with the ticket have go up on 50% off. You understand? 50%. Can remember say the first tier was $150 for the bleachers, and then the second tier $125. You see me? And then 50% go on. You see me? Like them start the Black Friday 50% off. You see me? Yeah.
Cartel VIP ticket was $1,000 US in a Jamaica. $500 on the field. Most people would have wanted the clash vibes. This have also orchestrate good to, you know. I don't have a problem with the pricing, you know. I'm just saying the pricing does look different for Vibes Cartel alone. And for the 2 of them, powerhouse together, I think it'll be a little dearer than that. But I understand where you're trying to say still. But shows keeping in Jamaica after the hurricane and right now shows keep them there. They are like the same price. Like all Rebel Party and them party I see in price. I don't understand. It's just weird. That weird to me. Like Jeffrey them a keep party with dearer than that. $45, $45 US dollar. It's cheap, brother.
But this money, I don't understand with you, bro. You sick in your head. How much you know want? Bro, I'm telling you already, you don't understand show business in a brother. You don't watch cartel forwarding from prison and ticket price in a brother. You see it? I don't know how much you don't really want Sunfest to put the ticket them to. All the people are going to sell them ticket. Eh? Remember like Sunfest is that thing we keep every year in a brother. You see it? Every year. So, I don't understand what you try to say. $45, that's about how much? Maybe say $6,000. Jamaican. But say enough people are far down there, you know, brother. You see me? It's pretty ticket price. If you just did it at a good, so everybody can. You see me? I don't know. Uno now, you see, because I don't care about people, you know. I don't really care about the fans. So, Uno, that's why for Freedom Street, when Cartel just forward out the bag of high price, why you think he have to do 50% off on Black Friday? Because I'm out price of society, brother. You understand? Majority of them suppose as them, you know, downtown and a lot of people can't afford it. So that's why them do the 50%. So, I don't know what I mean now, bro. Sunfest, I look out for the people. Them. You see, I don't know how much you want the ticket for that. Because Sunfest smart, them keep show every year, so they must know what go on.
But nah, disrespect, that cheap, that's like $6,000. I don't know what go on, but the ticket, I don't know. Maybe them now try to hike it up for Everybody not get for forward or them might do them best for everybody forward. But it go regardless of what want to do. If you sell the ticket for 10 grand I want, everybody go forward. People are waiting on that show you a long time. People want to see that show you now for years. I don't have a problem with the pricing still. As what I say, pricing still. But as I say, Cartel price was there just by himself. I just that me I try to say.
I don't understand what you mean. You always say, yo, Cartel price was dearer. Brother, Cartel last year, brother. You have to remember, say, I don't know why not compare them little thing here, bro. You see me? Like, Cartel just fought from prison, brother. Like, bro, the ticket them I got there, people are going to see him. So why not compare when him forward to now? I don't understand that. No Mavado and Cartel with the Gully Gaza thing. You see me? You know what the problem with Uno? A reality check. I happen right now and I don't even realize, bro. I that with Uno. You see me?
Them not try overcharge. Everybody want to go. But speaking about that, the ticket should have done already. So this is the thing with me I say. The ticket should have sell out the first 10 minutes. At that part there. Alright, so which one of them bigger? Vibes Cartel forward out of prison? Or Mavado and Cartel, they are one show. Which one of them might be bigger one? And Vibes Cartel forward out of prison. Because when Vibes Cartel forward out of prison,
brother, then you see him one and say, yo, that brother you a madman, you know. You just say a while ago say, yo, when Cartel do it by himself, the ticket price more high. And then now you forward now I say, the reason why the film ticket when him do alone. Because the man just fall from prison, brother. You understand? He fall from prison, dog. Move out of the road. You see, so it got different with him. So, now that's the prison thing kind of shriveled down here now. It have to go back straight to reality. You see me? And that happen right now, but you don't realize. Because what trick them in the people through the show where I keep a Malta or whatsoever over Europe there. Sold out. Zane, them feel like saying at Jamaica, the ticket I got just sold out. So, bro, Jamaica is a different place, bro. You see me? It's a different place. And you have to remember, bro, Sunfest. Sunfest is not really like a sting clash thing, bro. You see me? At that, you not realize as well. Plus, them a move the venue, so the people who usually think about Moby and now have to think about Ochi. You see it? A lot of changes going on at the Sunfest thing, so I just that people.
we couldn't get a ticket the day. Only remember? Remember, said when the ticket dropped, the first day, we couldn't get a ticket. People start fret. We couldn't get a ticket the first day the ticket dropped. This dropped today. I mean, people easy can get tickets. Nobody now ball. I don't hear nobody has a ticket gone, ticket done. Oh, the machine now work. The internet broke. The internet stuck. So me just look at it like, see a Cartel that is still the bigger artist then. A Cartel still bring more to the table. Even when the ticket cheap, the ticket should have said, no, like, not, all right.
Yo. Yo, people never get a reality check it out, brother. Gaza want them, brother. I tell you, bro, we don't realize, like, when the people might tell you, brother, when things go back to normal with Cartel, these are the things you not go see, brother. And the way it go lick on a chip, you not go wonder, bro. Because in your mind right now, you say, Jano, all ticket, no, sell out. Because treat sell out Europe, you know. I say, you feel like, say, that one in Jamaica go happen, brother. You see me? A two different thing, bro. And there's a lot of things as well. I remember, say, brother, majority of the people them say the thing we're going with the Gully Gaza thing already. Experience it and thing. But yeah, the Europe one now, that different. A lot of people not see what I go on. You see me? But Cartel, no, Cartel I go on like say Cartel, not dip on the show too. That, you know, I realize.
So, in a Malta, who's put it in on? Not Joe them. I see him Joe put that, but me I say, to me, I believe the ticket should have sell already. The ticket should have sell out today. It go up on sale today at 10, by 10:30. Them fear say, not, you remember Cartel, they have a car, go up on him Instagram and say, people, 8,000 people from Ray, 8,000 tickets sell today alone. Like, so me mean, like, I don't get that sense or the urge or rush and feeling there with this.
Or you forget it when the man, everybody don't see the man performance, everybody see a man perform already, everybody see him already. What you expect? When you feel like, say, the little Cartel hype and the prison thing, I go, did they feel long, brother? Everything I go back to normal, bro. You understand? Them see already, alright, bam, next. That's how the thing work, bro. But I really check on I get. Cause I realize what I go on. You see me? I just that I go on right now. You see it?
It is there, talk about, but I don't get the last Sunfest when them announced Vibes Cartel. Remember say ticket them going fast? When them announced Vibes Cartel and ticket go up and sale, the ticket them going fast. Now them announce Mavado and Cartel. Is the rush not there?
Brother, you have to understand, say, last year Sunfest, brother, that was Vice Cartel first Sunfest after prison release. That's the difference, fam. This year now, Imam Mavado, the people them don't see the man already, brother. It now gonna make no hurt, bro. You understand? You have to understand how Jamaican things, the Jamaican things they already. Is it?
Man say yard people don't buy ticket early. So this is what I'm saying. So who buy the ticket them for the cartel alone? You remember said the machine they broke the day. Then them have to use one different website.
People, no mind them man, them have the biggest set of exaggeration.
Who the blood clot? Who don't remember them, man? Who remember said the machine? Them have something named tricks first. Orange sitting on it and that mash up. Then they have to use something named tricks. One of them I use now. Ask State ever lie me I tell. Who there we do it on the live and do it. Nobody can get a ticket. People in a line how long and wait for cartel show. So me I say, overseas people, uncle. Okay. So now overseas people now go for that 1 year. Adapt me. Wanna see where me I come from now? So even if wanna say yard people not buy ticket. Even if overseas people didn't buy ticket them, the overseas people them now go. Adapt one know. I remember the system crash. Yeah. When cartel show the system crash. It's the same level of intensity and blood flow and rushing and we want to see with artists. Is that still there for this show? Like how people want to see cartel? I said, bro, Vado now no wait. Yo, dog. Yo, think of
Yo, it's what me I try to talk about. Yo, dog, man. Say man, them I say, yo, I'm Mavado now no wait for pull nobody. Remember, you know, the Gully and Gaza thing, you know, people. I'm Mavado and Cartel, you know. But you see, because them man ya only want hear something or go good for them artists when it aligned to for them artists. But if you realize them start to play Mavado now, say Mavado make the urge for nobody now buy the ticket while Cartel they on the show as well. But you see, if the show did sell the show sell out a percentage of ticket, you know what them would wanna say? A Cartel do it. But if you realize through the ticket now sell like that and the urge and they run it, them I say I'm Mavado because I'm Mavado. I saw them stay, people. Saw them stay. You see the thing is that it's like them no want to put no failure against Cartel. You see me? At that anything bad, them no want them try to use somebody else to take that cover there. You see it?
about it. Vado no perform in a Jamaica about 10 years now, you know. About 9 years now, Vado no perform in Jamaica, you know. The last Sunfest was Vado last show, you know. So think about it. People are supposed to want to see Vado. The ticket price wasn't so early last year.
People, let me tell you about this thing, you know. Because them not understand. Remember, say, Mavado never lock up a prison, right? Mavado living in the United States. But remember, say, Mavado was traveling to the Caribbean and Europe and all of these things. So who live in the Caribbean would a fly go US go watch him show them. Who live in the United States would a fly go in a UK if them want to go watch him show. You understand? So basically, Cartel now, them couldn't see Cartel for 13 years. Him locked behind bars. Them couldn't know no face how him face look. Enough people never yet see Cartel perform yet. You understand? So that's the difference. You see me? That's the difference. Mavado, people been a see Mavado. You see me? They maybe not see him in a Jamaica, but at the end of the day, people are left from Jamaica and go to other shows, go watch him, even all in the Caribbean. So the demands now go too like that. You see me? But Cartel now think different kind of fought from prison. Nobody couldn't see him. You see it?
But people that guarantee so them hold them spot. If me they are going to buy my ticket already, as a ticket land. If I was going, I'd buy my ticket already. Okay. When Vibes Cartel for the Barclays, you know buy your ticket the same day. You know on the phone and try if you do what you have to do and you're on the internet and you're on the phone and you look ticket the same day when Cartel. So me I say this is Cartel and Mavado now. Bro, tickets should have done in the first 20 minutes. Them should have announced and say, hey, no more ticket.
I guess them not realize what going people. You understand? Them just feel like say, yeah, this hype I got still their own cartel and people are gonna always want to see. We not even know what going. And the Barclays thing, brother, that was cartel first show in the United States into the Barclays Center. So come on, like ticket I go sell. You see me? First time in the United States first show, it I go sell. So anyway, take it, brother. That are more effective than what Mavado do. You see it?
No, cause people say, me no want book no ticket and me no want can't get none. Cause when cartel forward at the first time say, you don't want to go late and can't get none. So as the ticket drop, people try to fill the seat. That's why you have 70,000 people in the queue, 35,000 people, and the place only hold 19. That is the thing. So me I say, nobody no want find ticket. Nobody now buy ticket them. Now we see why I'm sure get cancelled. But when we talk them to get people upset, so what? The urge is not there because it's a Sunfest, still, The urge is not there. People don't want to see Vado. Nobody don't want to see Vado. Oh, God.
Yo, man, I tell you, John, man, I did Mavado away, but I saw it going at dog. You see me? Mavado do him thing. You see me? That's one of them thing there. You see it, but bro, Mavado never lock up, brother. Mavado did their road. You see me? So a lot of people see what I go on. You see it? But Mavado do him thing. I guess the show where them for keep must in a Ochi. So like them nobody keep it or something like so. Them say I think them say some hurricane thing, but it could have been like that too. You see me? It could have been that because you don't know a lot of places. It's like a lot of places never free up yet. You see me? Like some places still have trees or drop down and every little thing. So no people could get the chance, they wouldn't get the chance to sort out certain things by then. And a lot of people lose a lot, money, all of them little things there. So I understand with that if it never bother keep, is it?
Gaza people, I'm gonna stay so. And the people them say the show of Malta, they got the automatic Gaza sell out already Gaza cartel. So it look like them and say, nobody no wants Vado. So is that the case? And that's not hold on.
Yo, them money are fool, So the Gully and Gaza thing, they are Europe and it's sold out. Seeing Mavado and them stupid, Mavado and cartel they on the flyer for the European, right? And the man them say, yo, a cartel make a ticket to sell. But Jamaica now, see Mavado and cartel, through the ticket now really sell like that. The man them say through Mavado make a ticket now. Yo, me I tell you, dangerous.
That's what I try to say. Maybe no, that's what I try to say, no. Because I'm going to drop the link because I want here. Because this is, look right. Ticket them should have been on sale, brother. Maybe ticket them should have gone. Not defending Vado. Because a Gaza till death. But maybe it's a hurricane put a damper on this year. Want to the foreign people, them. I still don't understand what I say. Want to the foreign people, them, will buy out cartel show. Want to the England people, them, can't go to Malta. Because Malta sell out already. Want to the Canadian people, them. Want to the American people. Want to the Guyana people and Trinidad people. Want to all them people where buy tickets for a cartel show. Want to the people from Germany. Want people from all over who buy tickets to go cartel show the last time. Foreigners are afraid of Mavado. Yo, dog. Give me uno honest opinion.
Yo, man, I tell you, dog, man, never this Vado, you fuck, and then I realize, if you had this Vado, you not this on yourself too, because I the Gully and Gaza thing I rep, brother. So if your ticket now sell, the ticket sale, they pan cartel too, because of the two man them did it. Because, me realize, you see when them a win, them try to stick the win to themselves. But when them a lose, them want to stick the lose to somebody else. Because you and Mavado, the Gully and Gaza thing on Malta. Seeing? And when say, yo, that's sold out. But through the show at Jamaica Sunfest not sold out now. Una try put it on Mavado, say, yo, Mavado. So why you never say Mavado make ticket sell too for the Europe show? Una hypocrite, man.
Why the ticket them? Because remember, Vice Cartel ticket crash the day. People haven't seen Mavado in 9 years in a Jamaica perform. And this is the historical show. Gully Gaza fuel, the everything, the anticipation I want to know why the ticket don't sell out today already. Joe should have announced that all tickets will put on sale gone today. Why it not gone?
Brother, because the demand is not there. That's why the demand in Jamaica to see Vice Cartel and the Mavado thing, it's not there, bro. People just know say, alright, that I go keep. But people have different things to sort out. Already a hurricane, you know? People have to try to fix about themselves, fix about them house and every little thing. You see me? Show can stay and go and wait, pan. You see me?
Leon, you feel like them want to pay them money for see local artists perform levels. Yo, dog. Uncle the boss just help out a falling brother. Jesus Christ. No disrespect.
Yo, the man them a say, yo, Cartel a help Mavado, which is a falling artist. Yo, you see? I say, go still in the dog. You guys are not loyal, you know. Me I tell you that. Them not loyal at all, dog. Yo, them money at all, brother. Imagine the show of Malta sold out with Mavado and Cartel. But through the ticket them not in demand in Jamaica with Mavado and Cartel. The man them want put the whole of the ticket, the lock in a ticket sales. And I put it on Mavado. Zane, them want the failure to go to Mavado, but them for take the win. Cause you can't say this a man I usually do this. See? And then you know I go try say, yo, this a man alone make things happen. You see me, cause look at if Mavado and Cartel sold out in Europe, I see anything for happen in Jamaica. So if you ticket now sell, a Cartel and Mavado make a ticket now sell. That's how if you go. Same like how a Cartel and Mavado sold out the one in Europe. No, I saw it go for same locally. You understand?
But Vado ain't it. Nobody know want to see him. Yo, dog. Oh, Gaza people in the world. Cartel got a man by himself and the ticket them done in a 20 minutes by himself and the ticket them done in a 20 minutes. People are came on a course. So they can't get a ticket. 20.
Because Vice Cartel now go Cayman since him fought from prison. Anyway, him no go since him fought from prison. The demands are go higher this brother. You understand? To go higher. Cause him just forward out. No a different ball game.
Minute. People are ball. 20 minutes. People are ball. As the ticket drop, it done. Cartel got regular. History again, ticket gone. Cartel go Paris, ticket go in a 10 minutes. Everywhere.
Yo, them money a bag of exaggeration about Cartel. Brother, regular ticket sell out the year before them add on Cartel, brother. 70% of the ticket sell out. So look at 30 ticket well left, brother. Yeah, him can, add a little ray. But remember, say a lot of artists depend on it as well. It's a big show. You see me? It is a big show. You see it, so. You know the money attack.
Cartel go back to back London show. In a O2, ticket gone. Over Drake, ticket gone. I'm going to put on 3 dates. So me just want to know. Over Canada, me should have said. Barclays, same thing. Me I ask you this, and this is seriously. So with Cartel by himself, so with him and Mavado, it will be more people. But that me have been a said to you. It will be more people. So, with no disrespect, all this show, all me not see reggae, Sunfest say, tickets are all gone today. Me not talk about the whole venue, even the one them when they put out. Can remember, they put out some today, for say, the pre-show and it, you know. If the ticket them with Cartel alone do all over the place, sell out in a minute, one day and so, all this not sell out, Vado can't perform. To be honest, I would rather see a Cartel show rather than Cartel and Vado. Cartel don't need Vado to sell tickets at any point in time. Correct?
Then why the Gully and the Gaza thing then? I don't understand that. I'm not hypocrite, dog, because the same Gully and the Gaza thing, I will make the ticket sell out in a Malta and a Europe. So now through the ticket now high in demand and nobody now to talk about it with the Sunfest thing. Seeing? I don't understand how it changed now. I have to play fair. Because if Mavado and Cartel sell out the one in a Europe, now same thing for go for Sunfest. So through the ticket them now go like that now. You don't want to put all of the blame on Mavado. Show on the stay fam. Is it?
And uncle in Canada, it was for him it was 4 show and him turned down due to this. Yeah, it was 4 show. The true. No disrespect. Vado, Gaza only wants to see the boss. Gaza people are gonna buy Gaza people are go buy, but them want to see if Gully buy first, since them are give Gaza strength. Nobody cares about Vado show cause him boring blood clot.
I know you. The man him say, Gaza man him say Mavado boring. People, this a Vice Cartel official vlogger, you know. Him official vlogger we got him, yeah, them there party, everything. And here the man them there. I try mash up the Vado thing. For sure, you brother. Them man ain't loyal, bro. So I know every day get up and get strength, you know. I tell you that, you know, brother. Cause them gonna use them man usually know if you use it against you. You see me? Yeah, so them man do it, dog.
Jackie said Cartel show them his experience. Or they're gonna need Vado, so hey Gaza people around. Feel him should just wait until February or a month in. Then a month in the month drop it, brother. Because of Vado give Cartel strength to the people and realize, oh, no one them bad. Reggae Sunfest ticket. Not really not selling. Your brother that me I say, yo. Me no want really see no Gully and Gaza clash.
Jano, man, them say them no want to see no Gully and Gaza clash. Jano. But I saw them man a Gaza man go to work, you know, brother. I tell you, say them man in a business but no culture, nothing, you know. You see me? All the same artists, some of them we give them strength right now, them a try to bring down. I say some madness. You see me? But people, you know it going on. Yeah, man, you know what things said, man. I want media facts pan it up. That is it.